I have installed a Legrand softap dimmer. The light blink on the switch. How do I get them to stop blinking so the light will work?
Hi, I'm Mike G and I'll be assisting you. Try swapping the line and load wires.
I swap the lines. The light comes on but it will not turn off. There are no lights on switch.
Defective, replace it.
I have two dimmer switches and they are both doing the same thing. Both are bad? I have a dimmer switch installed in my bedroom as well. When I swap the wires, the fan comes on also with no lights in the switch.
You say that you followed the instruction could only be a reversal, defective switch, or possibly the instructions weren't followed. Having two switches that don't work leave me to think it not wired properly. Tell me how it is connected, or if possible send a picture.
I don't disagree. I am upgrading the switches to Legrand. They were wired exactly like the switches I took out. I have swapped the wire from the hot wire to the one pole and the one pole to the hot. The fan is on and the lights in the bathroom are on. When it was wired like the switches I took out, the switch lit up but no power was going to the fan or the light. I have installed simple Legrand on-off switches and they work fine.
I need to know how you connected it. You need a hot, load and neutral wire.
This is a 3-gang. The original wiring has all of the white wires tied together. The only wire in the switches are black.
The top termination is a white wire, neutral. The bottom left is a hot and the bottom right is to the light.
On the switch, the upper left is hot, upper right is white, lower left is one pole, lower right is 3-way.
That's a 3-way dimmer. Tell me how you connected the wires.
I have the hot wire, black, in the hot. Another black wire is in the one pole. Another black wire is in the one pole and goes to the one pole on another switch. There are no wires on the right side, top or bottom, of the switch.
Were two of the wires connected together on the old switch?
The wire was stripped around 8 inches from the end, wrapped around the lower left terminal of the old switch and then connected to the lower left terminal on another switch. I cut it and put both wires in the lower left terminal of the Legrand.
Well, that's the hot, the third black is to the light and you need a white.
Let me try that. I will get the white.
Let me know how it goes.
I have quit for the night. I can't get it to work.
When you get back, try this. 1. Connect the two wires as they were in the other switch. 2. Touch the third wire to the two of them to see if the light works and if other outlets are working. 3. If everything does, let me know and we can continue.
Will do.
Anytime after 9 a.m. EST.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.